Hello, my name is Abri, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to invite teachers to your account. Starting on the teacher dashboard, let's navigate to Teachers on the left-hand bar. This page shows all the teachers already present in my account and allows me to manage them. To add more teachers, I'm going to click on Invite or Import Teachers. If you are a part of a school or district account, and you roster with ClassLink or Clever, your admin will be able to sync with either platform. You can learn more about that in our other videos and on our Help Docs page. You can also import your roster from Google Classroom with this button, which will prompt you to log in with the appropriate Google account and select the classes you want to import. The easiest way to roster your teachers is by sending them a link. You can either copy the join link here, and when teachers click the link, they will be prompted to create a username and password, or you can choose Invite Teachers with a link. Choose the single sign-on option you'd like your teachers to use, and click Copy Link. Again, when they click on that link, they'll be prompted to sign in, this time with a single sign-on option. For more information on managing your students and teachers, check out our other videos. That's all. Thanks for watching and happy storyboarding.